So I'll get your hand on your waist. Yep. So with this, you need rigid tape, and you're going to start with an anchor. So the anchor goes pretty much in line with the nipple, goes over the clavicle and over the shoulder blade. So this is just something for the tape to stick onto. Second anchor is around the bicep. So kind of midway down the bicep, and just give me a tense. Good. And just relax. Okay, cool. So the tense just prevents it from cutting off circulation. All right. Okay. So this tape's going to start along the collarbone, going over the delt. So this will prevent dislocation. Coming underneath, avoiding the armpit hair, and going around here. So you don't have that much hair over there, so it's not too bad. Okay, cool. I'm going to do the same on the back. It's exactly the same thing. So along the shoulder blade, coming over, under here, avoiding the armpit hair, and then just finishing there. Okay. Pretty comfortable? Okay. So for a fresh injury, we do another one at the front here, but because you're doing pretty well now, I'll get you at 90 degrees. So just there, yeah. So this one will actually let you get above your head this time. Okay, so same thing, on the collarbone, over the shoulder, and wrapping the arm. Did it end up cutting off circulation or anything?
No, not really.
It's pretty good, pretty good. Okay, cool. You just wrap the arm down again. And then just re-anchor. Really comfortable. Okay. Last one on the bicep. Okay, cool. That's pretty much it. Comfortable?